Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican pickled vegetables. Begin by slicing vegetables uniformly. Thinner slices absorb brine faster and taste better. Prepare a brine with white vinegar, water, salt, and sugar, then add spices like allspice, pimento, and mustard seed for warmth. Pack jars tightly, leaving headspace, then seal and refrigerate for at least 48 hours to develop tang and heat. I'll guide you through each step and flavor tips. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican pickled vegetables. Start by washing and trimming all produce, then slice carrots, cabbage, and peppers to uniform thickness so they pickle evenly. Combine vinegar, water, salt, and sugar in a saucepan and heat until dissolved to meld flavors and sanitize. Pack vegetables with spices into jars while hot, and top with brine to cover completely. I'll explain ratios and timing for reliable results. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican pickled vegetables. After packing jars, pour the hot brine over vegetables to release aromas and preserve crispness. Let jars cool at room temperature, then refrigerate to slow fermentation and keep vibrant color and crunch. Taste after 48 hours and adjust seasoning by adding more salt, sugar, or vinegar in small increments. I'll share storage tips and ideas for serving with rice, fish, or sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.